My recording is ongoing. Don't say anything inappropriate like penis.
Fuck,
Wiener.
penis, shit, motherfucker.
Name 3 Stray
Hello.
Kids songs then.
Hollow, Silent Cry, Megaverse, Chick Chick Boom, La La La.
I said
Super
3.
Bowl, Super Bored. Well, too bad
Super
you got
Bowl.
6. Lad mig spille fucking Roblox!
Jeg er meget glad for, at jeg fik på video. Det kommer jeg til at bruge det der.
Fuck, I forgot.
Lad mig spille fucking Roblox!
How those 13-year-old boys sound when their mom's saying no more computer.
Hey!
Get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft!
I hate you guys so much.
Nah, sounds fake.
Lad mig spille fucking... Ved du hvad, hvor out of context quote den? Det sted, der var tomt lige før. Hej.
Okay. Hej, min computer skal lige load, for den er virkelig sådan...
Fuck, du lav.
Hello.
Okay, kom lige og se. Du skal se det sjoveste, jeg nogensinde har set. Come look at this. This is so fucking funny. Look at this. Look at this card.
Oh my god.
Look at that card.
Let's try that.
I'm sitting here waiting for good eggs.
I hate it when it happens.
I hate being a woman. Hvorfor kommer der ikke nogen gode æg ud?
I got sunken!
Hvorfor kommer der ikke nogen gode æg ud? I got sunken! Nyt kort, let's go. What happens if I get run over by the train?
Try it.
Yeah, I'm standing on the tracks.
Damn.
Okay. Toget. What the fuck? Der står en mand om bag toget.
That's funny.
I'm running on top of the train.
Thank God I don't lose my Stray Kids. There we go. Amazing. Go away.
La 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 la.
I saw that.
What is this island?
Oh my god, there's someone with a McDonald's hat. I haven't gotten him yet.
Gingerbread house? What the fuck is that? Jeg ved ikke, hvor jeg er. Jeg er taget på det der island for at se, om der er noget spændende.
Whoa!
Oh shit!
Moon.
I need to go back to my place. I'm buying every single egg there is.
Whoa! Do I need my asthma?
Oh my god, Blood Moon
Oh
er
shit,
slut.
it ended.
Fucking endelig. Nu kan jeg stå og sælge noget af mit lort.
Let's hatch that. Ooh, I got a Blood Moon Rugen. Rugen? I don't know.
Itzy. She's from Itzy.
I thought it was a man.
Oh, I'm gonna keep that one for you. You're gonna want this card.
Oh, do you know it? You can go to like a little booth thing where you can just like sell
Oh shit, I forgot.
with like 2 clicks.
I forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah.
God damn, this bitch sells for a lot. I have a card that can sell for 1,500.
Wow.
It's a Blood Moon Haru. It's Haru! Oh my god!
Jeg elsker the realization. Hvad vil du have? Okay. Trade, I guess.
I got a Blood Moon Harin. I'll pick you up for now. Oh, I got a Blood Moon.
Oh, mother Christ, I love you.
Hello.
I just got an idol, hvor jeg bare tænker, fuck nam nam, det skal jeg bare bede om, even though she's a
Det
woman.
kunne jeg godt fornemme. You're welcome.
You're
What can
welcome.
I say except we're dead soon?
Hehehe.
Okay, Voldemort.
Giv mig en fucking tessang. Jeg vil ikke have DK for... Jo, jeg vil godt have DK for 17, faktisk.
DK Danmark.
Grønland!
The only thing I can see.
Vi har Grønland! Det har I ikke!
Someone so, you know. You're so dumb.
Tihi. I regret wow. I regret nothing.
What?
Det var i hvert fald ikke det, der kom ud af min mund.
Stroke?
I think so.
Did you just have a stroke?
Det tror jeg.
Okay. Could you not?
Nah, det er der ikke noget sjovt i.
I got a rare soul.
Damn. I don't have one of those. I don't have a
Do
soul.
you want one? Whoa. Do you
I
want a
have-
soul?
No, I have red hair.
You fucking ginger. Oh my god.
Purse, okay? Oh yeah, den har jeg fået så fucking mange gange.
Well, here you have a soul.
Yeah! Double fuck. Pain. No, plain egg. Not pain egg.
Pain egg. I just love my pain eggs. Is that just a period? I know I'm funny.
Changmin, du bliver altså solgt, fordi jeg kan ikke se dig. Og det skal jeg bare ikke bede om.
Damn. Human trafficking.
Yeah, når det er bedst.
Whoa. Whoa. Not the best.
How do you know I'm tired?
tired.
Det kommer an på, hvad du trafficker.
Humans!
Jeg ved ikke, hvorfor jeg finder det så insanely funny, når jeg sidder og redigerer mine videoer, og så har jeg bare lavet sådan en random prutlyd, når jeg sætter ting ned på jorden. Altså, jeg ved ikke, hvorfor jeg griner så meget af det. Det var sådan, når jeg sætter et æg, så var det sådan...
Because you are a child. I got Tayson!
Oh my fucking god, endelig. Fucking chat, jeg var ved at bytte kort med.
Huh?
Fucking chat, jeg var ved at bytte kort med. Han havde godt nok en jawline, der sagde Sparto. Hende der, hun er bare skældet.
What?